Rolling, rolling, rolling down the river. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am flying around Elora, Ontario. Sorry, it's Elora Gorge, but Fergus, Ontario. And basically, this is like a little stone town in Ontario, just outside of Guelph, about 20 kilometers from Guelph, Ontario. And it's actually a really cute little town. Very much reminds me of St. Mary's, Ontario. And yeah, so I'm going to give you guys a couple of different angles to check the area out. So this is flown on a DJI Mavic Mini, the first edition, uh, which was a fantastic drone at 2.7K. Range is not always its strongest point, but it's all good. Good enough to make this video, right? So this is the river that runs through it, and I'm not sure, but when I've been here in the past, and I look at this, and I kind of want to just grab a truck tube and try tubing down it and see what happens. You know what I mean? Kind of hope for the best. Not far off from here is like Elora, the first place I mentioned. And in the Elora Gorge, you can go tubing. There's actually where you can rent a tube and all that. And so if you're bored and you want something to check out, you can go ahead and check other people's videos on YouTube and see what I'm talking about. But it looks pretty sweet. I just don't know if you're allowed to do it here or not. But realistically, I don't imagine the police are going to come chase you down with a baton for tubing in the river. I say that and watch like people get arrested every year or something. Who knows? Anyway, this was filmed a few months back when I was camping out that way. And yeah, I just never got around to putting up the footage. So this evening I thought, hey, you know what? Let's get that footage going there. And also, if you're watching this as of today's date, which is November 5th of 2020, a lot of shit going on in the world right now. We're on the brink of World War III, as it turns out. Perhaps, anyway. I don't know what's going on with the the Trump and Biden election. Everything seems to be kind of on hold, and people are freaking out and whatever. So it's kind of funny. Like we'll be watching this video back later and laughing about this moment or something. Maybe people will. Who knows? But anyway, with that going on and coronavirus, and kind of, I've been thinking like, yeah, as people go back and watch YouTube videos from the past, which is our present, and this is just a distant memory, like, you know, is it gonna seem that bad, or is it gonna be like, oh, that was nothing? Like, I guess it's all about perspective and individual perspective, but anyhow. Oh yeah, what I was getting at though, as of today's date, well, actually, as of last night's date, I ordered the new DJI Mavic Mini 2, and rumor has it, my good buddy Tony, Homeless Tony, or HT as he normally goes by, has also ordered one. So he's got some kind of range test videos that he's going to do. I'm probably just going to test some really, really close up stuff and testing out some of the nearby features and, you know, following the rules, of course. But my buddy Tony there, he's a bit of a rebel. If you never met Tony or saw his videos, he likes to fly like, you know, high and far and all that shit. Even though I tell him it's not always a good idea, but I'm not his mom, you know what I mean? Anyway, so Tony, as far as I understand, says he's going to be getting his Mavic Mini in the near future. It's already ordered, and he's waiting for delivery, and I'm waiting for delivery on mine. So if I get mine first, I might just lend it to him. We'll see. Anyway, he wants to see how far it will go. And I'm like, Tony, you got to kind of keep an eye on, you know, line of sight and all this shit. And he told me to mind my own business, and I'm not, you know, I'm not trying to get in a fight with a buddy of mine. So I just shut up. I zip it. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. Um, yeah, here I'm kind of trying to show you a little bit more of the town. You see what I did there? I did some different heights to show you the area. Um, there was something I was going to mention about that building off to the right side of the screen. It's like a little market. I don't remember. There was something about that that I thought was stupid or silly or something. Crap. Now I don't remember. But I was like, when I was walking by it, I was like, oh, I'm going to mention something. Anyway. I don't know. Maybe that's just where their local gay bar is. It's in that plaza. If you wanted to go and hang out, you could do that. Um, Also, there is a what was I going to say? A Pizza Delight there, which is something you don't see every day. It's right over, right behind the. You got the Circle K or whatever. Then you got the Tim Hortons, and then like beyond that, just a little bit out of view, was the Pizza Delight. I haven't had that in years. Unfortunately, didn't end up getting it while out there, but we'll probably have to make the trip back out and go grab some. And you guys can see from the video, if you get past all my rambling and bullshit, you can see what a nice little town this is. It's um, it's a nice place. I could totally live in a little place like this. I'm one of those people that drives by though, and when you see the big mansions out in the middle of nowhere or small little towns, you sit and think, well, how the hell are they paying for that? Uh, this is the same river, a different location though, a little further down. Um, the Mavic Mini wouldn't have had range to get over to here, so had to like drive down the road and relaunch and stuff. But this is a really cool waterfall over here, and unfortunately, some of my video file corrupted, so we're only getting a real quick little clip of this. I don't know what the hell happened, but. Anyway, you guys get the point. It would have been nice to give you the close-up shot. It was a close-up shot, and I had some shots walking like through the woods or whatever, flying through the woods and stuff, and that all got messed up. But anyway, I'm glad I can finally get this off my hard drive and show it to you guys, so I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.